Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the op amp that is built into LT-Spice. There's actually lots of op amps that are built into LT-Spice. Let's go ahead and click on the component selector window. If I start typing in op amp, op to start, I get a whole bunch of different op amps that LT-Spice has built in. These are all different op amp chips with different specs and different noise and different input voltages, etc. We're just going to use the standard op amp. So if I type op amp, you'll see it's just labeled op amp and it says ideal single pole operational amplifier. That's the one we want. The key here is that it says you must .lib. I guess they probably meant to put the word use right there. You must .lib op amp .sub. What the heck does that mean? Well, that means if I place this op amp in my circuit and I want to use it, I need to hit S on my keyboard to open up the Spice directive window and type .lib op amp .sub. This basically tells LT-Spice that I'm trying to use the op amp subcircuit that's built into LT-Spice. If I don't tell it that, then I'll get errors when I try to run my circuit. So make sure if you use this op amp symbol in particular that you use this .lib op amp .sub. Okay? Just place it anywhere in your schematic window and it'll be fine. And this works for Windows as well. I tested this same exact device and it works in Windows too. So let's go ahead and build up a little amplifier. I'm going to throw some resistors in here to make an inverting topology. Okay. Inverting topology has the input at the minus terminal, so we'll go ahead and throw an input voltage at the minus terminal. Let's do that. Okay, and then we need to ground our plus terminal. Let's label this V out. This will be V in. And we want our, let's set a gain of -3. So I don't know, let's use something like 6K, 2K here. So that gives me a gain of -3 with this amplifier. And let's just go with 2 volts in. Okay, so gain of -3, 2-volt input. I should expect to see about -6 volts on the output. Let's throw a .op on here. And let's hit run. Close my window, and then I'll place my .op data label, and I get -5.9976 volts, which is pretty close to -6 volts, which is exactly what I expected to see. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Just wanted to give an introduction to the op amp, and in the next video I'll go ahead and show you how to mirror the op amp, and then we'll build a non-inverting topology for this same op amp in LT-Spice. Okay, so I'm going to stop this video right now.